Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search on the S25 Ultra. First, ensure your device software is updated for optimal performance. To begin, simply long press the Home button or navigation bar. This action will activate the Circle to search feature, allowing you to interact with on-screen content. You can then draw a circle, highlight, or scribble over any item you wish to search for. The results appear instantly, keeping you in your current application. Once activated, using Circle to search is incredibly intuitive. Simply use your finger or the S Pen to draw a circle, highlight, or scribble over any image or text on your screen. The system will automatically identify the selected content and perform a Google search. For more specific results, you can also add text to your search query after the initial circle. This allows for highly targeted information retrieval, making your searches much more efficient and accurate. To get the most out of Circle to search, try combining your visual selection with text input. For example, circle a product and then type best reviews to find relevant information. You can also search for multiple items on a single screen by performing separate circles. This feature is incredibly powerful for research or shopping. Additionally, circle foreign text and add translate to instantly understand its meaning, enhancing your productivity significantly. Circle to search offers immense benefits, primarily saving you valuable time by eliminating the need to switch between apps. You can effortlessly discover new information, identify products, or translate text directly from your current screen. This seamless integration enhances your productivity and makes your S25 Ultra even more powerful. Speaking of reading, for an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.